Hello friends, this is Birappa from digiquanto.com. Today I'm going to talk about the types of keywords that every digital marketer should know. Before moving on to the types of keyword, let's look at the definition of keyword. A keyword is a word that describes the content on your page or post the best. In a layman sense, it's the search term that you want to rank for with a certain search engine. So let's move on to the types of keywords. Alexa blog has classified keywords into five major types. They are targeting keywords, keywords by length, on-site keywords, buyer keywords, and Google Ads keywords. Today, I'm going to talk only about targeting keywords. Targeting keywords. Targeting keywords are keywords related to the niche, offerings, and the audience in that segment. They can be further classified into six major types, that is market segment keywords, customer defining keywords, product keywords, branded keywords, competitor keywords, and geo-targeted keywords. So let's move on to market segment keywords. Market segment keywords. These are keywords that are generic, that is associated with a niche. They are generally used by target audiences to obtain information about a particular vertical. Terms can be broadly based, that is with respect to an industry or niche marketing. Example for this could be a running shoe or a cricket bat. Customer defining keywords. These keywords identify a particular set of audiences. In these, the audience uses particular words or phrases on a search engine. Example for this could be a running shoe for men, cricket bat for kids. Product keywords. These are keywords related to particular offerings by a company. These keywords are terms that directly mention a company's products or services. Companies need to have a separate keyword strategy for each of the products and services such that the customer could find it easily. Example for this could be SS cricket bats. Branded keywords. These are keywords that include a brand's name or its other terms related to the brand. They may also include the brand name along with the product name, type, and description. Example for this could be SS Ton Pro cricket bats. Competitor keywords. Competitor keywords are keywords that target rival brands of other businesses, products, and services. Researching competitors' keyword helps the brand to attract audiences or potential buyers who are interested in the rival's brand. Example for Kookaburra, its competitor keyword could be Grey Nicholas cricket bat, Puma cricket bat, SS cricket bat, etc. Next, the final keyword, that is geo-targeted keywords. These are location-based terms. Usually searchers look out for results that are available in their vicinity or in a particular location where they are interested in buying. Example for this could be a Kashmiri willow cricket bat. Thank you for listening. Please do like, share the video with your friends, and also do subscribe to the channel.